Yeah, hi everyone. In this tutorial we'll be creating two files, an index.html file and a cascading style sheet, and linking the two. And it'll form a template that we can use later on if we want to create other web pages. So to start off with, I'm going to be using Notepad++, and I'm going to save the files into a folder here on my desktop called HTML template. So if I go File, Save As, and I'm going to name it index.html and save that. And I'm going to be using some HTML code that I've already got from a worksheet. So here we have our HTML opening tag. Here's an HTML closing tag. Got our opening head and closing head, and inside the head section we have the title tags. So I'm going to change this title tag to HTML template. Now we have our opening and closing body tags, an H1 tag, which is the heading, and two paragraph tags. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and I'll have a look at it in a web browser. So I'm going to open up Mozilla Firefox. And an easy way to view that web page is inside the HTML template is our index.html document. So I'm just going to drag that onto the browser, and here we can view the content. So we have the HTML template title at the top, H1 tag, and our two paragraph tags. So now I'm going to create an cascading style sheet. So I go File, Save As, and it's going to be saved inside our HTML template folder, and I'm going to name it style.css. Save that. Now I need some code that's going to style that page. With this piece of code in the body, it's going to change the background color to light blue. That H1 heading is going to be using Verdana as the font. It's going to be black and 300%. And our paragraphs will be using Arial font, and they'll be colored blue. So save that. At the moment, it's not actually linked to our index.html. So when I refresh this, nothing happens. So I need a line of code that's going to link the two files. So if we go into the head section and paste that line of code that links the two, here we can see that it's referencing or linking that style.css file. So now when I save this, and when I refresh in the browser here, we'll see an updated style. So there we have the style being applied to this web page. So in our next tutorials, I'll be adding code and updating the web page and the style sheet. Now, just below this, you can see an embedded HTML and CSS that you can change it, and you'll see the update straight away. So go ahead and have some fun.